In this video I'm going to share a couple of easy ways to make money on Fiverr. So what we'll do is I'll show you exactly how this works, we'll go over how to set everything up, but more importantly, to make money on Fiverr and what I'm going to share with you in this video, you do not need any experience, you do not need any skills, and you do not need any money to get started with this. So make sure you watch this video till the end because we'll go over this step by step, and by the end of this video not only will you know how you can get started making money online on Fiverr, you'll know how you can do this from anywhere in the world. You can get this down to less than an hour of work a day. You do not need any experience with this, and then I'm also going to share with you some different free softwares that you can use to basically automate all of the work for you. And the free softwares, the legitimate softwares, I've been using two of these for a number of years myself, and I'm going to show you all of this in the video. I'll show you where to get the softwares, how they work, I'll show you examples of this, and we'll just go through the whole process of making money online using Fiverr with some really easy steps. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over some really simple ways to make money on Fiverr, and you do not need to have any skills or experience, and it's relatively simple to get all of this set up, and I'm going to show you a couple of different methods that you can use in this video. And if you want to check out some more, there's this video here on my YouTube channel, and this video that I uploaded yesterday, it covers how you can make money on Fiverr. Now let's just go straight into the video. So here I am over on Fiverr, and you can see I've typed in video intro. Now look, let's be absolutely clear about this. You can see there is a lot of competition for this. There's currently 3,794 results purely for video intro, but just because there's this many results on here, it shouldn't put you off. And it's the same with anything. If you was to look at blogging or even creating a YouTube account, there's hundreds of millions of people doing this. So why shouldn't you go ahead and try and make some money, or try and create a YouTube account just because other people are doing that? So never let these numbers on here put you off. So here I've just typed in video intro, and I'm going to give you a couple of examples in this, and then I'm also going to share some other different things that you can effectively sell. Because how this works is we're going to come over to Fiverr and we're going to create an account for free. Then we're going to list these things on here which are called gigs, and then people purchase these gigs from you, you complete the work, and then you get paid for doing so. Now on here, everyone starts at the same. Everyone comes on here as a level 1 seller, and then as you progress up the ranks, you can see you've got level 1 seller, you've then got level 2. There's also, I believe, there's still level 3. Oh no, it's level 1, level 2, and then it's straight into top rated seller. So in this example here, we're on video intro, so I'm going to go through and find one for you. So let's just look for one, and let's look at someone who's pretty much starting out on level 1. So we've got a level 1 seller here, we've got another level 1 seller here. I'll create cinematic one for you. So let's just go and have a look at some of these different sellers on here. So in fact, let's go look at this level 2 here. So I will create an amazing animated logo intro for you, and don't worry about this because I'll show you how you can outsource this very quickly, and also how you can create these yourself very quickly. So this one, oh sorry, I've gone into a level 2 seller, but as you can see here, this person here, they've currently got 42 orders in the queue, so they've currently got 42 people waiting for delivery of their gig. But I want to start with a level 1 seller for you, so let's see if we can find one. This is a cartoon one. What about this one here? Let's go and have a look at this. So you can see here, this person, they've currently had 172 feedback left for them. They've currently got 5 orders in the queue. So this is the basic package. It will cost £12.48. We've got a standard package, and bearing in mind I'm in the UK, so these prices are in the UK. So the basic package is you will create a logo animation video, 1-day delivery, and this is what's included in there. So you get colours, overlay text, and custom animation. You can press play and go and have a look at any of these examples that they've got uploaded on here. Now these are all very, and I mean very, basic video animations. So I'm going to scroll down here and see what's included. So yeah, it's still the 3 on here, and it will cost, so in US dollars, this is about $15 for this. So let me show you a couple of ways how you could go and get access to creating these video intros, and then after I've done this, I'll show you another simple gig that you can use to start selling on Fiverr. So in terms of where can you go and create, these video intros, well, there's a couple of different places. The first one you can go and look at is this website here, and it's called FlicksPress. Now you can go on here and get an account for free. You can see I'm in my account here, and it's on the free type. Now there is pricing for this. You can see if I was to upgrade today, I'd get 35 templates for less than $1. But let me just go through and show you this. So some of the ones on here, you can see here, these are all free. And what that means is I can go in and customize any one of these videos on here that I like. So if you just hover your mouse over any of them, it shows you exactly what the videos will look like. And like all of these parts here, they're all editable. So you can go and edit the actual image in the background. So you can see here, hang on, it says there, your product photo, the actual text, it shows you how long this is, and you can go through and have a look at any of these that you want. So go through, find one that you're happy with, and then literally you click on create here. It opens up into a new box. Let me just click on pause, and you can see on here it tells you about the template. So in this example here, it contains 3 custom text and 1 image placeholder. And then all you do is you go into customize now, and then you can upload an image from here, and you can change your text on here. And then once it's done, you click on render, and that is pretty much it done. So all of the ones here are all on the free version, so you can get started with the free version. Now with the free version, let me show you this so you know exactly what to expect. Scroll down here, these are the subscription plans. So on the free one, you can see here monthly minutes. So on the free plan, you get 2 minutes. So you probably get anywhere between 10 and 15 videos depending on the length of this. Now you can actually upgrade this at a later date, but when you first starting out, what I would recommend is don't just create one free account. Go and create a couple of accounts on here, then you'll get access to more videos on here. And when you sign up, you're only using your email on here, so create a couple of different email accounts, then that will give you access to more videos that you can use on here. Then once you get a few orders coming in on Fiverr, you can then go up to the personal plan if you want, and you can see it's very cheap. It's $3.49 a month. It then moves up, and you can see it starts going into silly numbers as you go through. But you can get started with this on the free plan. And like I said, if you get a couple of accounts, then you can create more videos with this. And even on the free plan, if I come here and go through these here, you've got all of these ones here. These are all free. You can go through and create any of these and play with any of these free versions on here. There's many other sites out there that you can use as well. This is one here. It's called verylogo.com. You can come on here and create an account on here for free and go through and look at the different templates. Now some of these will charge you, some of these are free, and it's literally a case of going through, having a look at them, and this is basically where you create them. But they're really simple to create these logos, especially over on FlicksPress, because it's all done for you. All you're doing is uploading an image and changing the text. It is that simple. So if we go back over to Fiverr, that is video intro. That is 1 gig basically that you can list and sell on Fiverr. Another one that you can do is a really simple one. Now look, when I say simple, what I mean is it's simple to create this. Now in this one here, logo design, look at this, you've got a hell of a lot more results for this. You can go through and have a look at all of these different logos, but I'll do a professional logo design for you. This is a level 1 seller, current price £24.95. So that's probably about coming up to $30, and you can go through and have a look at the different types of logos that they've created on here. So this person here, they're a level 1 seller. They've currently got 19 orders in the queue. So they're relatively new on Fiverr, and you can see this is the basic package. We've then got the standard package and the premium package. So this person here has been a member since 2017. So how do you go ahead and create create logos? Well, again, there's many different platforms that you can go and use to create logos, and you can see on here these are not groundbreaking or anything special. They're really simple to do. So let me share with you a couple of websites that you can use for free to create these logos. The first one is this one here, and it's called freelogodesign.org, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. And how this works is you come on here and you put in your name and then you choose a category. So let's just go with this one here. Let's just type in not taught at school, and we'll pick a category for this. Let's just go with, let's see if we've got internet marketing or make money online. We haven't, so let's just go for, let's just go to the top and I'll just click on abstract, click on get started. And then this is going to open up for you, and then this is basically where you can start messing about with your logo. So you can pick any of these ones on here. So if I just click on this one here, click on add, and then you can, so this is basically our logo as it currently is. You can play around with any of this. You can change the colors on here, as you can see over here. You can change the name, you can add in shapes, icons, and play around with it until your heart's content. Once you're happy with this, you simply go up here, click on save, and then you can download this, and then that is your logo done. And these are very easy to create using free online tools like this one here. This is a really good free editor that you can use for logos. Another one that you can use is Canva. Really simple. Go to Canva, create an account for free. This here is the home page. You can see here logo. Click on logo. It will then open up logo designs for you, and on the left hand side you can go through and play around with these, and you want to be focusing on ones that say free down here. So go through, find one that you want to maybe play around with, so you click on here, it goes over here. Now any part of this again is editable. You can change the text, you can change the size, you can change the font, you can change whether it's bold. There's lots more that you can do on here. You can on here as well. What I like about Canva is you can upload, you can add in different bits if you wanted, and to make them bigger and smaller, it's simply drag and drop. It really is this simple. If you want to overlay, like if you wanted this here, let me show you this. If you wanted to put this color over the top of it like this, and then maybe change the transparency of that, so we've got like a grey background there, you could do that. Let me just position that backward. Let me get rid of that. So you see you've got a logo, and look, I'm just doing this very quickly to show you. But again, this is free. Once you're happy with this, you give this logo a name, you click up here on download, and then you've got a couple of options here. You've got PNG, JPEG, simply leave it on PNG and then click on download, and it will start downloading for you. It is that simple. Now if you want to speed this up and you don't want to actually do any of the work yourself, you can outsource this. Now a website that I've used in the past, and I recommend it because it's relatively cheap, is this one here. It's called onlinejobs.ph, and you can see here this is the world's largest and safest marketplace for finding rockstar Filipino workers. You can get your work done on here. Not only can you get your work done incredibly cheap, but the end result, what you get back, it's very good. I'm always very happy with the work that I receive back from here. They also offer many different services on here. You can go through and have a look at these, so you can outsource this if you want. Now when it comes to Fiverr, many people are put off joining Fiverr and listing gigs, because what happens is somebody creates a gig, puts it on here, and then maybe doesn't get a sale for like a week or 2 weeks, and they will give up on that. And you absolutely shouldn't be doing that. You need to be focusing on getting traffic to your gigs. Now you can do that in a number of ways. You can include videos on here, you can include search engine optimization in here, you can include backlinks, believe it or not, and there's a few other different things that you can use when it comes to Fiverr. Now, a course that I've recommended in the past, and one that I've bought myself and been through, is this one here. It's called Fiverrlicious, and you can see right at the top it tells you this is not a get rich quick scheme, but it will show you how Bobby is the course creator. He made over $6 grand on Fiverr without doing any of the actual work, and what he teaches you in this course is he teaches you about outsourcing all of the work done on Fiverr. You can see it costs it's less than $10, but what it shows you in this course here is it shows you how he cracked the Fiverr code, how much you earn, and this is all about buying it for $1 and flipping it. But this walks you through everything you need to know on Fiverr to how to set it up. You can see on here outsourcing, the different Fiverr levels. He actually shows you some of his gigs. He shows you how to set up the gigs properly, how to basically from start to finish. He shows you exactly everything he did to earn over $6 grand over on Fiverr. And it really is that simple. So that is an option for you. It will cost you, it's $9.97, so less than $10. That will walk you through absolutely everything step by step. So that is today's video. All of the links I've mentioned, so like this one here, this free logo creator, canva.com, very logo, FlicksPress, I'll drop links to everything below for you. But look, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.